Hi, Jim Gross here, corporate trainer for Dynabrade. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up one of our dust collection systems to any one of our self-generated vacuum random orbital sanders. To easily attach the hose, all you need to do is to grab the 6-foot length of hose, and with the vacuum cuff, grab yourself a cup of hot water with about 1 inch of hot water at the base of the cup, and just simply let the vacuum cuff soak for about 6 seconds. Remove the cup, tap it, and just slide it on over the vacuum tube so that it rests onto the vacuum adapter and let it dry. You can also take a rag and wipe off any excess. Once the cup has dried or cooled down, simply connect your air line to the tool, place the bag on the floor, and begin sanding. If you have a self-generated vacuum random orbital sander hooked up to a dust collection system and you want to have a little more maneuverability, let me show you a neat little trick. To achieve this modification, you're going to need yourself a measuring tape and a utility knife. To begin, simply remove the hose from the self-generated vacuum random orbital sander. Remove the other end of the hose from the bag and set the bag aside. Go ahead and just remove the hose cuffs from the end of the hose. Once the hose cuffs have been removed, measure about 4.5 inches of hose and mark with your finger to where you want to cut it. Grab your utility knife and cut the hose. With your section of hose cut, take the rest of the hose and just discard it. Take your vacuum hose adapters and screw them on. With both vacuum cuffs attached, your mechanism or your assembly should look like this. And now, because you've already created a slight memory with the hot water on this side of the vacuum cuff, just simply slide it back onto the tool, again making sure that the cuff is seated with the vacuum adapter. And take your bag, open it, slide it on to the other end of the hose cuff, and tighten it down. With the bag attached to the sander, go ahead and take your air line and begin sanding. With the modified hose in place, now you'll have easier maneuverability around your work surface. Another thing you can do is you can take your air line and you can slide it through this little tab. And then connect the air hose to the bag, and this will give you even more maneuverability, holding the bag in place as you're working across your work surface. That's my tip for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the email address below.